So I'm in my barn, and today I'm making some of these little succulents. They're fake. I'm going to get into the real ones at some point in time. But I kind of did the same thing as cutting this out like I'm making a tea light. And then I drill a little hole in it right to where I want this to go. I'm going to put that in there. And what's really cool is I took this old, what was this? Like a Revlon face stuff that's supposed to make me look younger. Didn't work too good on me. But anyways, and I put some shellac in it. Okay. So with that being said, I kind of take the eyedropper like this. Pull the plant out like this. Take my eyedropper and I put some shellac or maybe polyurethane down into the hole. That way this is going to go in there and it's going to hold it, make it freeze in there. And then I have this little thing of stones and I pour the stones in there, get them all nice and level. Like so, right to where I want them. And then I just take more of this and I kind of eyedrop it in there a little bit just so that it'll make them stay. I'll add a little more to the outside. Like so. Give it another little coat. Get it all in there. And then wait for it to do its magic for later. It'll be all nice and pressed in there. Okay, now come over here, add it to my shelf. Here's one that I just made earlier today out of black walnut. And some other ones that I've got made with candles alongside. And all the rest of these are getting ready to be made. Thank goodness for my equipment that I have in my barn. It makes this little craft fun.